entire bottle?
That's what happened! Bubble trouble!
Oh, now we've got 2 bubbles.
Let's get my mum first and then go after Bytes.
Got it.
Hold on, Mum. I'll reverse the fan's wind to keep you in place.
That's my boy!
Now let's save Bytes.
Hold on, Mum.
Nice driving, Rusty.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Now let's get back to the yard and figure out how to pop these bubbles. The Tiger Flyer 5000! Let's go and burst some bubbles!
Yes!
Mum, Bytes, we'll save you!
See? Told you! Bytes! Bytes!
The bubbles are floating really far apart.
Good thing I installed this bubble target system. Targets are locked.
It's bubble popping time. Let's do it, Tigerbot. Ready, aim, pop!
It's nice not to be flying anymore. Well, I am still flying, but you know what I mean. Woohoo!
We'll get you out of there, Bytes!
Ready, aim, pop!
Now you're free too!
We did it, Rusty.
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.